The KB5065093 update introduces numerous new features, including the standout point-in-time restore feature, which allows Windows users to easily roll back their operating system, applications, and files to a previous point in time. If you are unable to install this update, follow the instructions in this video. First, open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open System. Open Troubleshoot. Open Other Troubleshooters. Locate Windows Update. Press Run. Select if you can't install the update, or if the update is causing issues. I'll choose that I can't install it. Press Yes to scan your PC for errors. Wait for your PC to be scanned. First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type sfc/scannow. Press Enter. Wait for Windows to be repaired. Type Exit and then press Enter. First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type dism/online/cleanup image/restore health. Press Enter. Wait for your PC to be repaired. Once it's finished, close the window and restart your PC. First, open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open System. Open Recovery. Locate Advanced Startup. Click on Restart Now. Click on Restart Now again. Press Troubleshoot. Press Advanced Options. Press Startup Settings. Press Restart. Press your F4 key. Open a folder. Open your C drive. Open the Windows folder. Locate Software Distribution. Right-click it and select Delete. Restart your PC.